In this tutorial, we will cover how to use the math functions multiple node. This node allows us to apply multiple math functions to various columns that we select. This node can be used to transform features or to prepare data before modeling. Here in the configuration pane, the first thing we can do is to add a description. This can help us identify this node if we have multiple nodes of the same type. Next, we need to add to our variables list. We do this by using the plus sign here on the left side of the configuration pane. We can also remove from our variables list using the minus sign on the right-hand side of the configuration pane. For this tutorial, the first column that we will select is the price each column. Next, we select the function which we want to be applied. For this one, we would like to round the price each node, a column, which is a double currently. The next option is to replace the existing columns. If set to true, this will replace the existing column with the new values. If set to false, this will create a new column that has been renamed to differentiate the two. So that we can see the before and after, we will select false in this case. Next, we will select the quantity ordered column, and we will apply the function exponent. Again, we will set it to false so that we can see the before and after. Now we will also use the fourth option, which is the scale. If there are some options, such as with the exponent function, this is where we will apply the exponent which we want. In this case, we want the values to be squared, so we will set the scale to 2. Now we can execute this workflow. Here, in the execution page, we can see that the first line of our dataset contains the price each as 95.7 and the quantity ordered as 30. Now, if we move to the end of the data set, we can see that 2 new columns have been created, price each underscore round and quantity ordered underscore power. This will always be the naming scheme that is used to create new columns. The original column name, an underscore, and then the function that was applied. Now the 95.7, which we started with, has been rounded to 96. And the quantity ordered, which was 30 previously, has been squared and is now 900. Thank you for listening.